Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to 2022 Taiwan Smart Manufacturing Webinar. New business opportunities in sustainable green energy production. My name is Jane Shi. It's my pleasure to be the MC for today on behalf of Bureau of Foreign Trade of MOEA. I'd like to extend our warmest welcome to all of you. We appreciate you for taking off your business schedule to join us today. And we hope you find today's webinar informative and fruitful. In recent years, companies and governments around the world have begun working towards carbon neutrality and net zero carbon emissions. Taiwan's companies are actively developing smart manufacturing and green sustainability to meet international green manufacturing goals and enhance international green competitiveness to drive the global smart manufacturing market. This forum will invite 3 green enterprises in Taiwan to share their experiences at introducing the concept of smart manufacturing and integrating green sustainable manufacturing, reducing manufacturing cost, increasing green products value, and providing market opportunities for future international cooperation. Without further ado, please welcome Mr. David Low, CMO of Polystar Machinery Company, to deliver the speech of plastic recycling for circular economy sustainable development.
Hi everyone, this is David Low from Polystar. I'm the CMO of Polystar. Nice to see you, and today I would like to present the plastic recycling for circular economy sustainable developments. Polystar established in 1988. So far, we have the 65 employees, and our main products is recycling machine and blow film extrusion line. So far, we have distributed about 3,200 set of blow film line and 1,200 set of recycling machine. We have distributed more than 110 countries in the worldwide. From the 1988, Polystar's positioning as the OEM manufacturers. And from the 2010s, we have been from the OEM to Polystar branding company. And until now, we have already developed the innovative plastic recycling solution and blow film extrusion line products. We have constructs of the third eco green manufacturing factory in Tainan. In 2022, we even acquired the Taiwan Excellence Awards and get affirmation of our global customers. Today, I would like to show some topic, including the green and smart manufacturing of Polystar. Our missions, we hoped to make the recycling more simple and efficient, with using the less energy consumption and less operation cost to contribute the more values for the economic circular economy. Our mission is to contribute the value to the circular economy chains. Here's, I would like to show the one video to present how we work in the circular economy chains. Please see our operation video. And the second topic, I would like to introduce about the experience of making the medical grounds of polystar. As you can see, we have experience to using the LDPE ground punching scrap and also like the H streams to fit into our recycling machines and produce the high quality and stable quality of the recycled pellets. And then we can reuse back to the extrusion production line to make the LDPE medicals, grounds, or gloves again to contribute the practical value for the circular economy. That is the example and successful case study from the Thailand customer. And third topic, I would like to introduce about the polystar recycling solutions for circular economy. The first one I would like to introduce is regarding to the recycling machine for the post-industrial film recycling. This is the circular economy chains from the blow film production waste and go back to our recycling machines to produce the pellets and then go back to the blow film extrusion lines. The applicable processing material is including the PE and PP film non-rolls, bags, film scraps, bubble films, and film sheet. And this is our Ripple Flex cutter compactor integrates recycling machines. The major process is from the material direct feeding to the conveyors with the cutter compacting, densifying process, and go to the extrusion lines for the degassings and dual pistons filtration systems. And then we utilized the watering pelletizing technology to process the high quality of recycled pellets. As you can see, in the cutter compactor section, we're using the intelligence interlock control technology to achieve the smart manufacturing process. And this is our another advanced pelletizing systems technology. We utilized the digital holograms calculations technology and embedded inverter driving module to be able to let the pelletizing blade rotating according to the die head pressure. So it can produce the very uniform size and stable quality of the recycled pellets. We got the patents in Taiwan. And second solutions, I would like to introduce another recycling machine for the multiple layer lamination and metallized film recycling. That is the circular economy chains for the multi-layer film recycling. The process, the lamination film waste can be go back to our recycling machines and produce the pellets and go back to the injection molding or blow molding production machines and to produce this good quality of the table and chairs and for the productions. This is our Ripple Plus recycling machines to be able to process like a printing film rolls and humid pre-wash flakes and stretch films and lamination films. It is the structures of the Ripple Flex Plus recycling machines. As you can see, there is one more degazing in the number 5. It was the second degazing systems, and in the number 6, you can see with the second filtration system, and also we also used the water ring pelletizing technology. Through this kind of the process, with one more degazing and one more filtrations, it can produce the stable quality of the recycled pellets and go back to the production line. That is the schematic drawing of the Repro Plus structure. You can see that with the triple degazing systems and technology, you can remove the more humid and more moistures, and the heavy printing come from the lamination films. That is the technology system and integrations which integrates the Europeans automatic mill filters. It is capable of processing the post-consumer grades and high contamination grades of the waste. That is an example and successful case study from our Sweden customers. Mostly they are processing like AVS and PS electronic waste come from like computers case, refrigerators, and air conditioner, this kind of application. And using this kind of the recycling and advanced filtration system, it can process the stable recycled pellets and go back to the commercial markets, or go back to their wound production line. The third case, I would like to introduce the solution for the like PP raffia, tapes, woven socks, FIBC jumbo bag, this kind of the waste recycling. Most of the like jumbo bag, woven socks, this kind of the rigid structure material can be recycled and go back to the tape and raffia and woven socks, jumbo bag extrusion lines, and go to the circular looms production lines and fish to the finished goods for the complete circular economy chains. This machine, we name it the Repro ones, is shredder integrate recycling machines. This machine we got the Taiwan Excellence Awards 2022 in this year's, and it can process most of the like rigid material, including the bottles, hard plastic, film on rolls, jumbo bags, and woven socks. You can see the in front sides, it is integrated with the shingle shaft shredder. It can process the rigid structure material. And we also have the filter before degazing designing to process the heavily print material. We utilize the shredder integrated recycling solutions to be able to process the rigid structure material. And the benefit for the customer is no need to pre-crush the material in advance, and which capable of process the large size and hard to crush the waste. For these machines, we utilize the synchronization drivings and the control technology to be able to save the power and with energy saving consumptions, and to be achieved the higher the automation level to achieve the smart production criteria. And last one, I would like to introduce about the recycling machine for the injection molding or the blow molding, this kind of application, including for the shampoo, milk bottles, containers, pallets, this rigid pipe, this kind of the application. That is the circular economy chains for the shampoo, milk bottle, rigid regrind recyclings. And the recycled pellets can be reused back to the blow molding and the injection molding production lines. As you can see, these hopper feeding recycling machines can be processed like crushed granules and HDPE, and also the PP milk bottles, and including the like containers and bottles. The difference between the front three models is it used a screw conveyor, which is more convenient to feeding the crushed regrind into the hopper. And then when it into the hopper, we have the embedded the smart sensor to optimize and stable the feedings. Then it go to the extrusion system with the degazing and filtration process, and go into the pelletizing system. For this application, we use the direct feeding technology. Even you can using the screw feeder or the belt converting feeding ways to do that. And we're using the level sensor to stabilize the feeding speed controls. And basically, it's a single step process from the feeding, extruding, degazing, filtration, and pelletizing. It's all in one process. It's more the simple and high efficient process for the customers. And this solution, our main core technology is the direct feedings, and with the smart label sensor control to make the whole the recycling process more simple and easy for the customers for operations. It can control automatically based on the label sensor of the hopper, and it can also produce the very stable and high quality of the recycled pellets. Regarding to the electrical control systems, except for the standards or the standard platforms, the customer also can upgrade to the intelligence PLC control systems. And our PLC control system is embedded with the high user-friendly HMI, and also embedded with the cloud IP-based module, which can using for the long distance remote installation and troubleshootings and education. And the other function is including the 24 hours automatic machine preheating mechanisms, and also including the energy saving sleeping modes, which can have power the saving for the whole machinery. And also including with the big data collection, analysis, and parameter optimizations. The other function is also including the abnormal warning notification to avoid some the trouble or damage to the machine in advance. That is the one of the critical parts and systems to contribute for the smart production. Regarding to the ESG developments, Polystar is also focused and devote many resources for the ESG developments from the engineering stage, manufacturing stage, and also the testing, fine tunes, and from the customer feedback for the systems and designed steady improvements. We have hope can contribute the entire and complete circular economy circle to contribute the sustainable ESG developments. And our final goals, we hope to have the view the complete and green recycling process. We hope the customers can make this effort and to make the recycling process more easy and more simple to goals. And final goals, we hope to purify the Earth's environments and achieve the sustainable developments. Thank you for your attention of these presentations. If you need more information, you can please visit the Polystar website or contact with us by email.